welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ryan. Today's look was just a quick and easy tutorial on actually my eye look, not my whole face, just my eyes. So if this is a look that you are interested in, then please just keep watching and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, because I know you can see it down there. Alright guys, well I will see you soon. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ryan. Today's video is just going to be something quick and easy. It's just one of my go-to eye looks when I'm on the run. Today I have to do some makeups for some of my girls for the policeman ball, so I thought I would just make this quick, easy. I already have pretty much a full face of makeup on, minus the eyes and my highlights. So let's just get into it. I'm just going to do something really quick since I said I'm focusing on other people today. I don't want it necessarily to be all about me, so I'm going to dip into my Morphe palette. This is the 35W, and I really just go into this palette for all the mattes and all the warm tone colors. As you can see, I've hit pan on a lot of the colors in here. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's one of my first palettes I've ever bought from Morphe. And I just continue to love it. So let's just go ahead and dip into it. I'm going to take my Morphe S11 brush, and I'm just going to go in with a cream tone shade here, the second one, and just put this all over my lids. Like I said, I am doing other people's makeup today, so I am not trying to make this fancy. I am just doing something quick, cute, simple. It's honestly one of my go-to browns, kind of like a little short smoky eye, but not as smoked, I guess. So yeah, this is just something quick and easy. I'm literally just putting this all over the lid. I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Dome Shadow Brush, and then I love to go in with this this warm brown tone here. And I just work this on the outer corner, and this is going to be my transition color that I'm just working in. So like I said, this is just a simple smoky eye. It's not too dramatic. It's just, you know, works for the day. Like I said, I want the focus to be on the girls that I'm going to be making look glamified today, is what I told them all. So I'm a little excited. I am by all means not a makeup artist. I'm just like have a makeup obsession, and I happen to just do some girls' makeup on the side, you know. They just tip is what it is, so. I think it makes it a little bit more special when there are people who are close to you. Like I've done a couple of my best friends' wedding day makeup. And it's also cheaper. Like people charge a buttload these days, which, you know, that's totally fine because they went to school for it. They work hard for their money. But you just honestly want someone you're going to trust, is my thing, especially on your big day. You just want someone that you're going to trust and make you feel just as beautiful as you are the inside out. I always tell women when I do their makeup, all I'm doing is honestly enhancing their natural beauty, which is what I feel like I'm doing, is just enhancing that natural beauty, so. Okay. So I'm just really, as you can see, I'm really just working this color in. And this is one of my favorite eye looks to go with. It's just so quick and easy, and that's honestly all I'm about, especially when I'm on the go and I have to be somewhere in a specific amount of time. Like this is my go-to look. So then I go in with this darker brown shade. It does have some shimmers in it, but it's honestly not too much of a shimmer. It's just got the perfect dark shade that I want. So this, all I'm going to do is focus it on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just making it super simple, super easy. Just keeping it on the outer corner, just really working it in. It is a really, really pretty color, you guys. Just jamming out to Christina Aguilera. Oh, baby. so like I said, we're just keeping it simple on the outer corner. Like, you honestly can't go wrong with this. So then I'm going to go back in with that dome shape and just blend the color. So I don't want it to be, you know, too harsh. I want everything to look blendable. I'm like sweating. It's supposed to be 55 degrees outside today, or 53. So I put on this cool, not cool, like a lightweight sweater. Did I say freezing? I'm like sweating. Did I say sweating? I'm like sweating my non-existent balls off. Okay. So that's that for that. And then I'm just going to go into my inner corner, and I'm just going to place, usually for the inner corner, I'll do like a highlighter, something along those lines. Today, I think I'm just going to go in with, I think this color here, which obviously I've hit pan on as well. Did I use that for my transition color? No, I didn't. And I'm just going to use this as my all over the lid kind of color. Typically I do like a gold shimmer or something in there, but like I said, today it's not about me. And I really don't want to go above and beyond. I felt like death the last couple of days. I had a really bad stomach virus, you guys. So literally Thursday night, Friday night, I was in for all day Friday. I felt and looked like death in my house. Not even kidding you. Alright, so then as you can see, I have a little bit of that brown under there. That's fine because I'm going to go in with my smudge brush. And I'm just going to work this on my lower lash line. Smudge it out. Alright. And so that's all I do there. I'm going to take my beauty blender with no added product. And I'm just going to kind of dab, because I know I have some powder still left on it from when I did my baking. So there's that. Now the thing is, do I want to go in with eyeliner? I probably could. Do I want to? Yeah, we'll go in with eyeliner. It's fine. I'll do that at the end though. I haven't highlighted my face yet, so I think let's go ahead and highlight, and we'll go in with our Sunlight Dream by Revlon, and this is the Photo Ready. So I think I'm going to go in with the gold color here, because you know I'm all about my gold, and it helps that I did use like a warmer tone on my eyes. So I always kind of like to do, if I go with more of like a browny gold or like a neutral, I always seem to go to my golds for highlight, and then vice versa if I'm like doing, if I'm doing something with a little bit more like silvers in it, I'll go in with more of a silver. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. I actually really love this brush for highlight. Oh, it's just so pretty. It is just such a pretty color. And I just love this brush because it really just gets the high points of your cheeks, you know. Don't get me wrong, I still love my Eco Tool fan brush, but this is definitely giving it a run for its money. My nose, my Cupid's bow. Tapping that off. Alright, and then I'm going to do the highlight of my brow bone. My inner corner there, just to give it a little more oof, since I literally, like I said, looked like death this week. Alright guys, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put my eyeliner and my falsies on. I'm going to go ahead and just do my eyeliner and my falsies off camera, so I will be right back, guys. Alright guys, so I did my mascara using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Totally forgot to go in with eyeliner, so we're just going without any eyeliner, but it kind of looks like I have some on, so not too bad. And then I used my Ardell Wispies in black. So those are all on and ready to go. And then I'm thinking for lips. Oh man, what do I want to use today for my lips, guys? I'm really obsessed with Casey Holmes' Rescue color. This is her collab with Palladio. I love this color, you guys, so I think I'm just going to rock it today. It's just a really pretty, pretty brown. Like a nude. Done. Just like that, guys. Like I said, this is the color in Rescue. I just love this color. I just live for it. So, alright guys, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just, like I said, something quick, easy when I'm ready to run out the door and just go. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to know my foundation routine, let me know in the comments below and I'd be more than happy to show you. Like I said, it was just something quick and easy, and literally it takes me in no time. And then before I forget, let's just use this Essence Instamatte spray. Let's see if this bitch will work. Ready? Like, it really comes out on the end. Like, I don't know, you guys can't see the water driblets, but oh, whew. Oh wow. I just love it. It doesn't even affect my face when the water gets on it. Like, you can't even tell the water is on it. I love it. So I don't know if, like, I'm gonna try to see if it really does stay matte, because I think it's supposed to be oil-free, non-sticky, lightweight. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what our thoughts are on that. But alright guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time on my channel. Bye guys!